In this video, we're taking an honest look at Restream, a popular platform for multi-streaming to several channels at once, and while it's a convenient solution for creators who want broader reach, it's important to understand its strengths and limits. Restream makes it easy to broadcast to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn and more from one dashboard, and its browser-based studio, unified chat, and simple setup make it appealing for streamers, educators, and small teams. Many users appreciate how little configuration is needed to go live on multiple platforms simultaneously. However, some reviewers report occasional latency, sync issues, or minor glitches during scheduled or multi-platform streams. The free plan is useful but capped, with watermarks, limited resolution, and fewer channels, meaning anyone aiming for professional production will likely need a paid tier. And while Restream is great for reach, serious broadcasters sometimes find its production tools less advanced than specialized streaming software. Overall, Restream is a strong option for accessible multi-streaming, but not always the best choice for high-end, polished broadcasts. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.